Hey YouTube. Okay, so today we gonna be making ice cream in my blender. Yes, we will be making ice cream in my blender. Okay, I'm gonna show you how we about to do that. But before we even get into making ice cream, I just want to do an overview of this blender because this is my baby and I love her, which is why I'm introducing her to you. So with that being said, let's start. Every time I get a new package, I feel like it's Christmas. So before we get started, I want to go over something that no YouTuber has gone over when it comes to this blender, okay? When you first get this blender, the top will be off, right? You see the top? It's right here. It's off. Notice how the off sign went away? You want to know why it went away? Because even though this blender is plugged in, it will not come on until the top is on it correctly. Notice how the off sign is there now, but if I wanted to start it, I can start it. And I learned that the hard way when I first got this blender. So if you're thinking about ordering this blender, I just saved you doing an Amazon return right then and there. Boom. So now that we got that technical difficulty that you may have out of the way, because you know I'm here to put y'all on, we will be making ice cream. Okay, the ingredients that I will be using will be 2/3 of a cup of heavy cream, but if you don't have a 2/3 cup, you can use a 1/3 cup and fill it twice to just replace 2/3 of the cup. You get the math? If you don't get the math, just use the measuring cup that says 1/3. Boom. You can use 10 ounces of frozen strawberries, but y'all know me, okay? In my culture, where I come from, we eyeball everything, so we will be eyeballing that. And you can use a 1/2 cup of sugar. So just those 3 ingredients, we will be making ice cream in a blender. Okay, gotta repeat it for the people in the back in case you didn't hear me. In a blender. Okay, Ninja Ice Creamy, what's up? We here. Yes, we is here. All right. Oh, and another thing that I want to let y'all know is Ninja also has a hot and cold blender also, and I'm gonna leave that in the link down below so you can do your own comparison on the two if you're looking for a new blender. And if you're like me, where I don't buy something that just does one thing, it has to do multiple things. Okay, so if you're like me, check these links down below. But all right, enough of me talking, let's get started. I'm sorry, y'all, I love y'all. All right, I brung the blender down from the main piece so you guys can get a better view. I have my heavy whipping cream, okay, and my measuring cups. Now this is what I was telling you, 1, 3, 2 times. Okay, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, like I'm not that good at math neither. Like I'm not, and that's why we go do this together. You are not alone, Michael Jackson. All right, so let's go. This is gonna be 1 cup. Throwing up in there, get a little, oh, not too loud now, a little tap tap. 2nd cup, throw it on in there, tap tap. Okay, now while I'm using my measuring cups, I might as well just do the 1/2 cup of sugar. Keep my sugar in here. Now a 1/2 cup is 1 2. Mic check 1 2 1 2. Mic check 1 2 1 2. And please don't come for the people in the back who don't know measurements. I'm not good with measurements. I'm also dyslexic, so I'm very understanding when it comes to not knowing certain things. Okay, so 1/2 cup, 1/2 cup, sprinkle that in there, a little dab. Right, so I'm gonna round it off to 8 strawberries. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Those are 2 strawberries put together. I did not cheat you, so don't come for me in the comments. Thank you very much. So remember, the top, if you don't put it on correctly, it will not come on. So we're just gonna put that like that, with that in there. And another thing I want to point out to you guys is that I have the older version of this blender, so I'm gonna click frozen desserts. See, look, it's not on correctly. If it doesn't say off, it's not on correctly. So I'm gonna click frozen desserts, But on the new version of this blender, it's gonna say ice cream right where frozen desserts is at on mine. So I'm gonna click it. 1 minute and 42 seconds. I'm gonna press start. All right, put my bowl. Let's take it off. Okay, get a better view. And the way I open this also is I just swat this part right here and then lift it up. So that's real liquidy. Yeah, no, this is not. No. No. Yeah, no. It tastes amazing though. I'm not gonna lie. It definitely do taste like ice cream, but if I have to freeze this, what's the point? You know? But this is a good ice cream recipe. I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, no. Absolutely not. As you guys can see, this was not a success. The Ninja Creamy wins. But that doesn't mean that this isn't a good blender though. That's my thing. Like, I blend smoothies. You can make soup. Like, this blender does a lot. And I will be doing more videos based on what this blender can and cannot do. But if you're still interested in buying this blender, I will leave the link down below. I don't feel like this should be a deal breaker if you're looking for a really good blender. And I believe it's like $80 now. I know it's like less than 100. This is a really good blender. I never did a smoothie with any type of fruit that this couldn't blend up. Never. It's not one of those cheap blenders, okay? You see that? You hear that? That's glass, baby. That's glass, baby. Okay? We don't do no plastic over here. But anyway, y'all, I wonder if I should freeze. This is really good. Like, it really tastes good. I can't waste this. I'm sorry. So I'm debating with myself if I should freeze it or not. But anyway, thank you. Update reporting. It's frozen. Not all the way though. It has like a, you see the texture? I just wanted to give you an update on what it's gonna be like 3 hours in the freezer. It tastes so amazing though. Like, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. But anyway, thank you for watching my video. I appreciate you always. And I will see y'all in my next video. Let's cheerio to another video.